text file. Why? Because it is showing text file. This is a CSV file. CSV file is always into the text one, which is separated by a comma, right? Dot and comma, it will be separated by. So that's why it, the file name always will be shown as, this name is whatever you will be saving the file with the name, and this is the what the file which you are using, text file, excel file, json file, or flat files, any flat file if you are using, that flat file related name will be appear here. Okay, these all things are sheets, whatever it is present in our COVID data has been downloaded from that website. So this is data source page. Let me jump to the sheets to explain you about this data and all. Let's see, you know already how to create map, right? I showed you. So using that experience only, whatever I have taught you in the previous workbooks and all. See, first workbook we have learned, right, how to create a column chart. One second, let me show you this one so that you will get an idea. So these all chart we discussed, right? Among use, upon using these tricks only, let's create this maps and charts and whatever it may be, and by upon using those things only we'll create a dashboard today. So you know how to create a map and all. So how to create that, whatever the things if you wanted to showcase here, those things you just click upon there and choose the some map. So you know that, right? Observe carefully here what I have done. Some measures and the dimensions I have clicked, by upon using I have created, right? And remaining things what are there here, the country also I bought, and the sum of difference also I bought, right? So now just I'm clearing it, this is empty, don't get confused. So I'm clicking here country region, hold the control, click on here the difference and go to show me app. Here just click on this map. Got it? You got the map, right? Maybe last time when I have created this world map, if you practiced well, you should get one doubt here. Maybe here you got some unknown locations. How to fix that, that one also I'll explain in this uh, class itself. Give me a moment. So I'm clicking here, observe carefully. The first option is edit locations, I have to edit it. Why it is unrecognized is because of, see, country region, what country it consists of. Okay, you can say both and fix it. Let's see it will fix or not. No, it is not fixing. So edit locations, you can say fips. If that is in the fips, it will get fixed. No, it means that the only country in our database itself, in our database, this country name either should belongs to FIPS or ISO, or both of them. We have used all the options, but it is not taking it. It means that that country is not under any ISO or FPS. Okay, it means that some categories they have divided. No, COVID related category they have divided. It is not coming to any of the category, so that's the reason it is not taking. Okay, if you want, when you are doing with a sample superstore data of, if you will get maybe 49 or 50 unknown locations all the time by default, just click upon here, go to edit location. There you just have to choose the country as a USA. Might be by default when we are using a Indian time zone, that's why it has been created as a India. You just use it as a USA so that you can fix this unknown issue all the time. When you want to fix the unknown issues, this is the steps you should follow. Edit locations, here you have to edit what actually this is. Okay, I'm fixing here. No, it is not going. Let's see once again. I have tried this one also, it is not worked out, right? So let me try it here. I'm clicking here, enter the longitude and latitude. If I know the longitude and latitude of Afghanistan, okay, right, one second. If I know the longitude and latitude of Afghanistan, I can type them, right? So that, let's come to the Google. I'm taking you to the Google now. I'm typing here Afghanistan longitude and latitude I want, right? What are the longitude and latitudes of Afghanistan? So, so I'm copying here. I'm just going to the map, and what I wanted to do, I wanted to give a longitude and latitude. So this is a latitude, and see, so many options you can get by using this Tableau, whereas you can fix the unknown locations. No, it means that, so the data has been restricted to this two segregations only. It means that if this is in the ISO or FPS, they are concentrated to see this kind of data only. So that is the reason it is not taking. But you know how to fix the issue, right? So to fix the issue, at either you have to change this country region, or if you are unable to do that, come here, enter the latitude and longitude of Afghanistan. If this data related, if this data is related to that Afghanistan is existing with the latitude and longitude details, for sure this unknown will be fixed up. So that is the way to fix up this. So okay, I have created a map anyway. Let's see, the difference is nothing but how many cases. Okay, just I'm dragging it to the label, you can able to see now what are the cases has been. Again, I am bringing this into the color or a text. One second. Let me bring this country into the label, whereas you don't know in the world map which one is which country. So until then this is fine. So here again, I wanted to filter my this thing. I just uh, apply, or else if you wanted to showcase the filter, you can do this. If you want to filter anything, if you just you wanted to give a show filter from directly, you can give here. Okay, just click upon here, and I gave it. See, right side, you can able to see this. Once again I am doing, if you wanted to create any filter, it means that if you wanted to concentrate on only few regions, suppose you wanted to concentrate on countries with A, or something countries with something B, starting with B, or any condition or top cases or something, then you can use this. If not directly, if you wanted to concentrate on each and every country, if your manager or a client asked you to give the filter access to us, we will search accordingly. So they'll say like that. So I'm just unclicking everything. Then see here, I'm just typing India to see how many cases has been registered until the date of this data. See, you can able to see India, right? Isn't it? So this way we can give them access. You know this also show filter, but I have taught you by upon going here and again. Did you observe I didn't created a filter, but upon choosing the option, filter is automatically has been created. So I'm going to control Z once again, control Z again. Then see, it has been disappeared. Observe carefully here, I didn't drag country region to the filter, but I wanted to see particular countries only. In that case, I just go to this drop down, and I'll go to a show filter option. This will be appeared in the right corner of my worksheet, where I don't wanted to occupy this much space for this filter. So what I'll do, anyway no one cannot drag this way, right? So it's time waste. So what I'll do, I'll go to multiple values drop down, where I'll go to this drop down, I'll deselect, and I'll select whatever I wanted to see. India I wanted to see. Along with India, my side country also, I just wanted to compare my India cases with some China. Okay, I have selected these both. You just observe carefully. Left side, in the filters chamber, the filter is automatically has been created. If you wanted to see that, just see, click this drop down, edit filters. Then here, if you see here, India has been selected in this, right? Did I done anything? See, or else I'll search here instead of scrolling it. It is, see, India has been selected automatically. China, it has been selected automatically. So this is one more trick to save the time while you are creating a worksheet. Don't create the filter unless you have a condition or what top end results if you want to show the or parameters if you wanted to give, then you can select a filter. This is also one more new topic. Whereas if there is no need of creating filter, wisely think that and just give the show filter option, change it this to the multiple values drop down. That will be very easy for the client or your manager to check and compare the, see, suppose I have selected a China, right? So I'm deselecting this now. Just I wanted to concentrate on India. So the difference it is showing. So this is all full. The color it is showing. The color part which is able to you are able to see is India. It is showing. That's it. Now carefully observe. I have only this one. Now when I select a China, now I am giving a China or any country you can give, US or anything. See now, two came. So the difference is coming. When I wanted to see this one only, see, the less density of the color is nothing but China, it seems. See, I mean, like, see, don't get confused. This is whole country. That's why it is looking big. According to the country space, okay, the radius, it is looking this way. But look at here, this is the cases value. Less color means, see, this color means the cases are less. See, darker the color, cases are high. Okay, ignore about the size here. This is the area of that country. See, China has been occupied so much area in the globe, right? That's why it is showing a big. Okay, India is somewhat smaller than China. That's why it has been occupied a lesser space. But have a look at here. See, if this is a light blue, very light blue, that means like lesser density of a color. That means that this is related to China. See, you can able to see here 3809 is the cases and 2,33,076 is the cases. You know the truth also, because when the cases has been raised in that time, then India is neglecting, other countries has been taking a good precautions and all. So that's why cases has been reduced and increased here in the India. So we can compare this way. Or else if you wanted to select any other one also, if you wanted to see US, let's see a US, if you wanted to see, or for a Russia also you wanted to see, let's see. So see now the India color has been changed now. Why? Because the cases is very much high in the US than the India. So that's why the color has been changed to some other country upon my selection in the multiple values given here in the show filter option. Okay, so every time this is the good practice. No need to create this a filter for this selection and all. You just give the show filter option. Let your client or your manager play with the data whatever they want. If they wanted to Australia, they wanted to see for Australia, let them. If they wanted to see for Angola, Argentina, Burmas, anything, they can select and they can see. So this is the way to see the differences by upon using this multiple option selection without giving the filter. So I have created this anyway. You know how to create this. So here I just created only India map. How I have created only India map? Only India map I want. Okay, in that case also, did I can I use this one? Yes, I can use this option also. I'm just closing everything, so that I'm creating, clicking on country and a difference again, and going here. I want this map. I just clicked upon here. See now, there is a two ways. Either choose here as a filter, which I have told in the previous worksheet. Let me take this to the filter and just exclude everything. Just I'm giving custom value India. See, India came, no? Only this one I have selected. Okay, nothing has been selected from here. So I'm applying this and I said okay, that's it. So see, and in this case, I didn't give the filter. Why? Because of I just wanted to concentrate on this worksheet only India. So in this world map, they will compare India with other countries, or US with other countries, Russia with other countries. But here they have asked for to give me only India data. So difference I'll bring here so that you can able to see how many cases are running here in the India, and the country region. It means the country or a region name, it will appear here. So this way you can create. It means that I didn't give any access, and I just created a filter. Why? Because they have asked me, I don't want anything to show here, only the particular country or a countries, two or three also you can fix. No need to giving the access here. If you give the access, they can able to change again. So that is one difficult part. Yeah, coming to next one. Here I have created a everyday cases, how they are recording. So what I have done here, see, what I have done here is like, I bought the date and the difference. See, let me do that once again for you. The country and region I bought here. No, the date source I bought, right? See, the date I bought and the difference. Yeah, date I bought, not a date source. Yeah, let me see. The date I bought and the difference means the cases numbers I told you, no. So when I am, so you know this already, when I am drilling down more, I can able to see the whole thing. And today I'll explain you why these lines are happening. Without seeing the lines also, how to see that also I'll show you. That is one more topic, no issues. I'll take a more class today to complete all those things in the sections, so that as you can understand how to do that in the same class itself. Okay. And here what I took difference, I'll do one thing. From today I'll do one thing. Why to change this? Okay, let me create a new worksheet and drag this worksheet to here. Okay, so so that we can see, did we created the same one or not. Did, because some example I took, no, but different one maybe I can take. So what I'm doing, I'm just drilling down this topic. You know how to drill down and how to take it off. If you are not concentrated on quarters, and you can remove that. So you just keep only these things. See, in this case again, keep the entire view this way and get the difference into the label. And what more I bought here, that's it. And the country and the region I bought here in the filter section. See, let's see what I have done here. I'm editing this. So tell me what I have done. I have used everything, right? I have used everything. But action filter why I have created is, see, ignore about this. I say in the same sheet itself I have created, so that's why it is showing. Nothing I have done. Everyday cases, how the everyday cases is running, this way you can see. See, if I'm not taking this entire view, so you can see this way. So you have to scroll until here and all, so no need to do that, right? So always this is the best practice to choose the entire view. So this way I can able to see for each and every day what are the cases and all. If I wanted to see for a region, all the regions, I'll keep here the country and region. I'll use all. I'll select all, apply, and OK. See, when I have kept my cursor over here, see, now you can able to see for, see, for everything you can able to see. I'll just go escape and get this country and region into the label. See, when I bought this into the label, did you observe something is going up and down and all? Why? Because in January, in February, again in the march also, everywhere it will show the country name, right? So that's the reason, don't do this type of practice and all to getting this country here to see. So in that case, if I wanted to show this filter, and in the everyday cases also, suppose I'm just concentrated on only few, I just select randomly, because you know that already, to apply the show filter option, let's take multi drop down. Yeah. So this way you can show them up. Okay. So so now you can bring that into the label. So here you can clearly you can see now, because why, because I have chosen up only three. If you wanted to see only Argentina, click here. So for Argentina only you can able to see. Let me show this into the full screen. If you wanted to see only for this, you can compare this way. Okay, you can compare this way by using the country. Okay, with the legend only you can compare. What, with the legend only you can compare. So this way I have created a everyday cases. Okay, and the cumulative. Okay, do you know what is cumulative? Yes or no? So let me do one thing here. What I see here, only date. So if it is the date wise, then that could be, then each and every country, what one line is related to one country. This view is good than month and date and all. Okay, let's see what is cumulative. Do you know the meaning of cumulative? All together. Okay, it means that all together. Sorry, someone is talking. Sorry, Dana, you said something.
Yes, ma'am, I'm about to say that only successive addition cumulative means.
Yes, yes, nothing but in a simple words. Don't be that practical and all. We are into learning session, so simply I can say all together. Okay, all together everything can be able to see her, isn't it? So get this into the label. So see now, you can able to see this. So here in the date, I will go in the, or see the difference. What I'll do is, I wanted to see cumulative. So what I'll select, a running total I'll select. See, this is all cumulative. Okay. So these are all the cumulative. If you wanted to concentrate on a country again, you just bring here in the filter and apply all the countries, and you just give the show filter option, and there you can make the difference. Okay. I just make sure to don't spoil this, because I have already created a dashboard which may create sprints there. And here again, what I have done is, I just created what? See, same again. What I have created, I bought the date, I drill down, I kept only date, and I bought the sum of difference here. And what I bought into the color, country and region into the color, sum of difference into the text part, so that the difference they can able to see. We can compare again here. Okay, what I took in the same graphical representation way, China and US I wanted to compare here. In the same way we did here, no? Same. In the map we did here, but with the chart I am showing here in the line graph. That's it. Okay. The country data. Okay. Here what I did, what all the each and every country. Okay. Here only USA and China I took. Right. Here what I did, every country, everything, all the countries I bought here. Okay. See, I was used all the country names, so that's why everything you can able to see. Now coming to the, anyway, I'll give you a full and description about how to create this dashboard also, no worries. I just wanted to show you before going to preparing other advanced thousands of charts, how to prepare by using Tableau. I just wanted to show you the dashboard, whereas you can able to understand in the same way if you create a worksheets how the dashboard looks. So for that understanding, I am taking you tour of a dashboard now. See, when I freshly open the dashboard and show you first, see, dashboard looks like this. I didn't created anything. So sheets, it means whatever the sheets I have created with the names, everything will come and sit here. Okay, as of now, look at this one only. So what I will do is, what I have done in that here is like nothing but I just wanted to say automatic. Okay, what I have done, I just wanted to say automatic. Just see now, I said fixed size. Did you observe anything? Did you observe anything? It is saying custom. In that custom you can say full screen. See now the gap is coming, right? So if you want to say automatic, automatic means whole screen it will get occupied. Okay, if you go and see the whole screen we can use, right? So this way always better to go to automatic. Let's see what and all I bought here. Okay, what and all I bought here, I'll bring everything over here. Once again, let me get the dashboard side by this, or let's freshly create here. Okay, see, I'm just holding this and dragging here, hold map, and again I just bought the everyday cases, hold and leave it here, drag and drop here, and cumulative of everything if I wanted to see. And again what country related data also I just wanted to see the whole dashboard I have segregated as and distinguished as of four parts, because four sheets only I wanted to. If you wanted to get anything else like USA, China also, somewhere you just drag this way, wherever you want you just drop there. Okay, then it will occupy some space. And meaningful dashboard preparation is not this one, I'll explain you that one. This is a random dashboard I wanted to show you. Once again I'm telling, see here, I don't wanted to see this one. So I just don't wanted to see. Did you observe one thing? If I wanted to see this one, filter, control set. See, did you observe one thing? In the dashboard itself I have done something in my worksheet. See here the region and everything, I have applied some what, I have applied some filter, right? So what I am doing now, there is an into mark, right? See, observe carefully this map here now. When I am doing, see, whole things has been came up here, all the countries, every country is I'm able to see here. See, right? The all is automatically selected, right? But that is not the one which I took, right? I have concentrated on few countries only here, so that one I took. So I have removed this. So for now I am removing filters from every dashboard whatever I do. Okay, to show you one more. Remove filter, I am saying remove filter. What and all we took, everyday cases we took. No, I didn't give the filter here, I don't give the filter here as well. The country data also I didn't give the filter. So I have removed the filter. Okay, I have removed the filter, and these differences also I don't want. So for now i I have removed anyway this one. This is empty space, whatever I want I can keep something over here as well. So see now I am clicking on this map. See, map has been highlighted. Did you saw? Once again I'm doing this, I am clicking on this white space, map has been highlighted. So I'm going to this funnel icon, which is nothing but filter icon. I'm selecting this. See, it has been filled, right? Before it is empty. So I'm just clicking upon here. It was looking like a full filter, right? So now observe carefully. So now I wanted to see a Russia data in all the sheets as well. So in that case, you have to select this filter icon, click on Russia. So immediately everywhere in every chart, only Russia data is showing up now. Did you saw that? So here in the dashboard itself will do. So this is nothing but interactive dashboard. In the interviews or in a workplaces also they'll ask you, do you know how to create an interactive dashboard? What does it mean by interactive? If I am clicking on any kind of some related relevant data, all other sheets in the dashboard also should look up about that particular data only. See, I am concentrate on only Brazil. The Brazil data is there. See, all the time no need to go to filter and give them only the data whatever you want. No need. You just give everything in the worksheet, each and every worksheet. choose one Choose one part of any worksheet as a filter and you can play with the data. Okay, you cannot apply anything in here. If you want to apply, just go to escape. So if I don't wanted by using this one, okay, I wanted by using this. Okay, in that case I'll select this one. See, what I'm doing is I am deselected everything. Okay, one second. I have deselected everything. I just type India and I can keep India only. By upon India again, one second, I did something mistake. I just remove this now. First for this, keep this one only. And see, you don't wanted to click on country because, see, suppose you wanted to click on some very minute country, you cannot able to see that, right? In that case, see, here I deselected everything. I wanted to see for a US. Okay, just select a US, so that that US data will be, US data will be appear in the both, all of the three datas. Let me select only India for now. Deselect US. It's not showing, one second. Yeah. So after you have created that, then you have to click on here. Then only it is showing. Let me go to the PowerPoint presentation once. Yeah. And here I just wanted to deselect the India, and I wanted to concentrate on what, US only. Okay, you just click upon US and click somewhere else in the US once again. Why this is useful? See, you may get doubt. See, you can select by upon here, right, and you can go. See, in that case, let me show you one thing. I am selected everything, all. I selected everything here. See now, all the country related you can able to see. Suppose for a island I wanted to see, right? See, or Argentina I wanted to see. Suppose imagine the someone who is able to see this, he doesn't know where the Argentina will be in the map, or else somewhere if he wanted to see the Canada, two sides it will be looking where he wanted to click. All these doubts will come, no? In that case, if any small countries, very minute countries are there, I cannot hover and see. Very minute one is there here, something South Korea, right? So in that case, this will be useful. How to do that? You just apply filter for this. Here I have applied already. This way you have to click, and this filter also will be available here. Using that filter, you can see the interactive results in this dashboard. That's why it is said to be as an interactive dashboard. Okay, this is nothing but how to create a dashboard. So see, the same one I have created here, isn't it? The same one. So the difference is the high, the top headings and all I have changed. That's it. If you wanted to keep that heading, see here something is given here. Check this box so that name will come. Whatever you wanted to give the name, control A to select this, or just delete or keep that as well. And you can write also COVID data base of all, COVID data of all countries. Okay, if you wanted to give any color, don't wanted to give this color or any highlight color, or if you wanted to give bold, or you just wanted to increase the size, you wanted to keep it in the italic, and if you want to give underline, or if you wanted to keep it in the middle. Okay, just apply and see. If you wanted to change now, remove this and say apply and see. And if you wanted to remove this italic, say apply and see. And you can check the design. Don't put okay, just apply and see. If you don't want that left side, if you want to see, then apply. And if you want it in the middle, then apply. If that is fixed okay, then say okay, then it will be get fixed. Okay, this way. Let's see now. For a presentation, shortcut key is F7. Okay, to go out of this one, escape. Okay, this way you have to create a dashboard, a simple way of dashboard. Why I have showed you now itself, because whereas you should understand what is dashboard actually. Maybe in between also you may attend the interviews, or in the workplace also you may get a challenges, so that you should barely understand what exactly or a dashboard looks like, how it is. Okay, this way you can. So the remaining options and all, what is title, what is floating and all, again in the dashboard session, all these tools and all, everything I'll explain you. Okay, no worries. Okay, coming to here, one more topic I have created here is for you is connecting to a two data source. How can we connect a two data sources? Suppose I am here. Here I have connected one more data sheet for you already. So again I'll connect that sheet only. If you wanted to connect to some other data source, sorry, where I am, yeah. If I wanted to connect a data source, there is a cylinder and plus symbol is there, no? So here I'm clicking. I'm saying I want a Microsoft Excel, and any, see, this one only I have connected, the same one again I'm connecting. See, I was into the worksheet. When I have clicked here and added, see, the sheet has been added, but it take me to the data source option. Because here if you wanted to do any any changes, any data type changes, any live and extract changes or filter additions, so that's why it will directly take me to the data source. If you don't want to do anything, just please come upon here and see here. Nothing, what is there in that sheet, I'll show you. I'll open that sheet and I'll show for you. Where it is. See, I just created continents versus countries. I just said continent is Asia. In Asia, Singapore, Malaysia, Nepal, Pakistan, India. India also will add. No issues. We have already connected, so let's leave it like that. So, what I'll do is now, see, I'll close this whole sheet. So from here, I'll take continent. Just now I have connected one data source. Now from here I bought continent. The real already COVID data sources is there. No, from here I'll bring a country and region. Observe carefully. So it is saying in order to use the field from the COVID-19 cases, you have to create some relationship. It seems. How to create that relationship? You just go here, right click, edit data source filters, or you can go to a data. Here you can say edit blend relationship. I'm blending from both. So here from the this sheet, what I'll do is I'll go to custom, and what I'll do, I'll go to add option. For the countries, what it has to show, country and region, these relationship I wanted to show. For the continent, I wanted to see the data source as a country and region, or for countries I wanted to see a country and region. Okay, and say okay. And now see, something information has been came up here. I am closing this once again. See, observe carefully the data which I have added just now. That means this Excel sheet. Which one? This one. Okay, understand? This Excel sheet I have created just now, and I have added by upon using this. That is this one. Only countries and continents are there, no, in that worksheet, isn't it? These two. That's why these two columns only, fields only I can able to see. From this I bought what? Continent. Only continent. See, this continent related both the data I'm using. Because why I am showing this is, in practically in our real time, we get a chance to use a different types of databases. Might be this database is from server, one database is flat file, one database is some SQL. So many databases will be there. All together you have to club this. So this way you have to do that. But by upon changing that option, how to do that in the COVID cases, what I am bringing here, country and region. Then see, because I have already edited the relationships, so that's why it is showing how to differ that primary and secondary data. Okay, primary data is the blue mark one. Why the secondary data? To see the related data to this continent, I have bought something from second data source. That's why this is acting as a secondary data source. If case I wanted to use this as a primary data source, then go here, country and region. Okay, and I wanted to get this country. See, by already a relation is showing, right? A link mark is showing, it means already I have created that country and countries related this one. But these all countries I didn't give in this Excel sheet, right? So these all countries I didn't give in the Excel sheet, so that's why that is not giving. See, Australia I gave, I so that's why Australia only I can able to see the remaining countries. So Malaysia you can see here, Nepal you can see, only Asian countries I took. So avoiding this full whole data, that is the reason what I done is I took this one as my primary data, so that I'm concentrating on only few countries what are I have given in this particular Excel sheets. Okay, so that's why. So see, now once again I'm doing, I have already created that. I'll show you the options once again, don't worry. So this is the blue one is nothing. If not, no need to see here also. If nothing mark is there, this is primary. If a cylindrical mark, see, now I am keeping my cursor here in the white space, you can able to see the orange color mark, correct tick mark, right, on cylinder. So that is nothing but secondary data. By upon seeing this thing, this worksheet, you can able to see, understand, right? Someone who have worked before you or in your team member has been applied some different data source to this worksheet. So by upon seeing that color and cylindrical mark, you can able to understand that. So how to change that? Blend relationships, see here, edit relationships. According to here, you have to choose what relation should be come in between them. So for a continent, when I am giving continent, when I'm giving countries here, here also all the country regions should come. So that is the relation I made in between these two sheets. Okay, no worries. While doing practice, you will get understand when I create any relation, so that the whole data will show this one. So go here, you cannot able to see that relation here. You can able to see the relation here itself. I'm going to this country data. Let's see, can you able to see that? No, right? Secondary data source you cannot able to see here. Why? Because I have done that in this particular sheet only. Here itself it will show you. But can you able to see one thing here? Only one tick mark is there, this is blue, and you should get one doubt here, this is orange. How come? See, for very first data I took here to perform this whole workbook is this one. That's why this is primary data. Remaining these two are there. When I have any work with the these two here in this worksheet, then that will assign as a primary or secondary again. That I can change it. So here I want this as a primary. So that's why first I took this one. So that's why automatically it has been taken. And in the edit relationships also, I gave some blend relationships that which one to be as my primary data and which one as my secondary data. Got it? Don't get confused. Once you start practicing, you'll be knowing all these things. And this relation also you cannot able to see. Why? Because I have made the relation only by upon using this data option in this particular connecting two data sources, this one worksheet. Okay, this is all about how to add the other data source, connecting to different data sources, and how to do the blending. You know, right? Now you know blending. So blending topic I told in this worksheet, how to connect to different data sources, how you identify the different data sources by upon seeing the icons itself, right? And you can able to see perfectly, right? And I can say standard view, see, right? And if you wanted to see the difference here, I put here only for those countries only I'm concentrated now. Got it now? So why it is giving the orange mark again here also? Because I bought this data into the first data from the secondary source. That's why it is coming this one. Remember blindly, whatever the blue mark is there, that is said to be as a primary data source. If you do any blending or any additions or any worksheets upon using that data source, that will be given as an orange color. Okay, that's it of a blending. If you have any doubt, please do ask me now itself. That is the main thing where you have to start doing once you are into the work, or if you get any promotion related to a Tableau. So thereas you have to create many data sources and edit relationships also, I mean blend relationships also, you have to do by using this option very easily. But so many people, what they'll do, they'll go here, they'll add it from here. See, suppose they are doing some work here, they'll someone will come and they'll ask you, I no, keep it this one as like this only, but I have some other data to club with this data. So blindly they'll just go here, or simply, sorry, simply they'll go to data source blindly. What they'll do, no, they'll go here, I'll just show you once again here also. They'll go to Microsoft Excel again, they'll just choose this data extract one, and the two data sources will come here. So this is all waste of time, right? Until unless you'll join the tables. Okay, until unless you join the tables, make the difference here. When you wanted to do the joins, this way is preferable. When you wanted to blend the data in the worksheet itself, you have to do, and you can edit that blending relationship in the worksheet only. When you perform a data source related joins, this is the best practice. Okay, and you observe one, that's why it is showing this one. Okay, understand the difference. So here also you can see the orange color always says that this is a secondary data source. From here you can do the joins. So I'll tell you what is joins also here, that topic also I'll cover here. So see, suppose, so first the primary data will be there here. If I wanted to create a join, so I bought this here. See, it is showing error. It means, let me see what is the error. So it is asking create a edit relationships. Whatever I have done there in the connecting to data source this way. So I have to select country region, and here countries are same. That's it. So now close this, update now. See, the Asia and Asia related countries came. By upon using this, I can go to some worksheet, I can perform a fresh one, whatever I wanted to. So now from the India, this one, I can take this one. Uh, this is created one. This is also created. See, did you saw some difference here? So again, I am going to connecting data sources. See, every data source is having their own what, sheets and all. Once I have added a different data source from the by using a data source page, then what has been created here? Look at here. This is COVID-19 cases sheet, and this is sheet one also. Different measures and what? Different measures and dimensions has been created separately. Okay, this way. Leave that apart. I have explained blending and joins here. Don't get confused. Once again, you just go through the recording so that you'll understand. Okay, I'll continue the class for more time. Don't worry. Okay, is that okay for you, right? Can I?
Yes.
One second. Here, one more thing I wanted to show you is, just I'll click here and I'll show you. See, it is somewhere redirecting into the some data source page. See how I have created that. I'll show you. Okay. first of all, I will explain you what is this odometer is nothing but it will give you a country wise related how many covid cases has been recorded, how many deaths has been happened, how many has been recovered from the covid. So these all data is has been updated by this worldometer website. You can go through and check. So how to create that? By upon just clicking on that link, how I can redirect to the page. In that case, I'll take here in this ABC part. See, now I am clicking, it is going again because I have already applied that in this particular sheet, right? I have applied. So I'll create a fresh sheet. Let me show you country and region I took here. You just observe when I took this here in the rows, this country and region, a table formed. If it is in the column, see, this is very difficult, right? If you wanted to see other country, you have to drag this way. So the best practice is this one. According to the requirement, you have to change your mind and smartly you have to do that. So that is all your part to do that. When you can do that, when you do a more practice, you can able to do this kind of play very nicely. Okay, now I'm clicking here. It is not going. Why it is not going? Why it is going? It means that something I have done. What I have done? I have done actions. If you would have attended any interview, they'll be asking for sure. If you have 2 to 3 years of experience, for sure they'll ask you, do you know the actions in the Tableau? You have to say yes from now because you will get that answer from now itself. Actions are two different types are there. In the worksheet we can perform actions, and dashboard also we can perform the action. I'll show you how we can perform in the both ways. So for now we are in the worksheet. You know, right? This is worksheet. So I'm going to worksheet. Observe carefully, there is an action. For a shortcut, control shift A. Also this window will open. If not, go to worksheet, action, or control shift A, action. So this window open. Go to this small icon here, which is add action. So now I am concentrating on only URL, but many actions will be there. I'll take you to all those also, no issues. As of now, I'll show you the URL one. So come here. So source sheet. Can you able to see a line of this box and this box and down box? Three boxes are there, no? Let's see what is this exactly. The first box is source sheet. What is my source here? So my source is sheet 12. Okay, just take only sheet 12. That's it. Remaining and all I don't want. So forgot about these things. Again will come, and as of now I am keeping select option. Hover means when I am moving my mouse, this is set to be hover. Select means when I am clicking upon a single click like this way. Menu means, you know, right? So many like something, the information will be written as in the form, which is nothing but a menu. So here the URL I am giving, nothing I did, I just copied here. This is for Andorra, right? I'm giving that Andorra only here. Okay, I'm saying okay. What I have done, I went to worksheet, open the actions, add actions, URL. I just give the in which sheet I wanted to perform this URL. If I am clicking upon that sheet, where my click should take me to the which website, I have given that web link. Okay, and say okay here. Observe here, this is what Argentina, right? I am clicking here, it is showing Andorra only. Okay, let's see. Let's go back and click on Bangladesh. Again, it is going to Andorra only. No, I wanted to go to a particular country, but I took only what? Andorra link only. See, again, I'm copying. I took only Andorra, right? Here also. What you have to do, go again here, actions. See, I have already performed, right? Select this and say edit. And here, I just wanted to delete this Andorra and this side drop down. Click here and keep country and region and just say OK and OK. Now I am clicking on Australia, Austria or Australia, anything. See, now Australia data is showing. Did you saw that? Australia. Just go back here. Now I wanted to go and see Albania. See, the Albania related data is coming. So this is the action performance by using a URL. Okay, if you give a single URL and related data, if you have, if you use that directly, it will redirect it to the particular country related data. Wherever you give the information to the action, there it will take you. So this way you can perform the actions. So this is the URL actions it's said to be. But if you see this actions, there is more actions are there. Filter action, highlight action, URL action, go to sheet action, change parameter, change set values. Each and every option, whenever it is available in the worksheet, I'll explain you. But if you take a other sessions or something, what they'll do is they'll simply take this topic as today I'm explaining about actions, and they'll explain all together. No, that is not a good practice. So if where and all it is useful, then only if I can give you this idea about how to create this action URL worksheet, then you understand purpose of that as well. So you also practice in that way, so that you never forgot that why I have created this one here now by URL action only, because we are concentrating on COVID related data cases, how the cases are running, how many deaths are happening, how many recovered patients are there. So that is the data we are looking up here. So that's why I have created that. I wanted to see for the Bangladesh people how many cases are related data. Then I'm clicking here, I can able to see. Right, now we'll do one thing. I have already created one dashboard, isn't it? What I will do is here, I'll just remove country data from here to out. Okay, okay, what I have done, let me remove this from here. What I have created, sheet 12, right? The sheet 12 I'm bringing here somewhere. Okay, I'll bring here. One second, I'll go to sheet 12 first. Entire view. See, when I put entire view, clumsy thing is happening. So better you just go to standard view only. One second. Let me go to a dashboard. If I wanted to perform a dashboard actions, how here? Let's see. See, if you wanted to perform actions in the worksheet, what is the shortcut key? Control Shift plus A. If you wanted to go for a dashboard related action, you have to go for Control Shift D. Okay, Control Shift D, and observe carefully one thing. Here something is given already, filter is there. If you wanted to use that, you can use. If not, you can create something else. I'll show you both the ways. Before showing that, come to this dashboard too, which we have created here in the class today. Observe carefully, I am going here. I am not using that sheet 12 here, that's why I'm showing this. Sheet 12 is not there in this dashboard. Go to this dashboard, go to actions, and see what is this. Filter is already appearing here, which we have created. Come here, I'll show you the difference. Go here, go to the actions, and generate. Let's see. Okay, did you observe something? Anything is happening here? Nothing. So whatever you wanted to create here in the dashboard only will work out. No other things which has been already created will not work here. So what you have to do, go to a dashboard, or control shift D in the dashboard, add actions. Same options will be there in the worksheet. You can create all the six. In the dashboard also you can create all these six. So here my data, my source sheet is dashboard 1. In the dashboard again, see, when I am selected dashboard 2, what are the worksheet is there, this will be applied for everyone. In the dashboard 1, these are, this will be applied for everyone. If you don't want that, then remove that. Okay, I want it is for only 12 one. Okay, when I am clicking on this sheet only, the relevant data should show. So that's why only for, in the dashboard also only for sheet 12 I am giving, I am selecting it. So here for now menu I'll give. Okay, and the same link I gave. I'm removing this Andorra, because you know how to keep for each and every country. And just say okay. right? I just said okay. So let's observe here hyperlink 4. It is not redirecting, but when I gave a menu option, it is giving this type of thing. See, from the dashboard also, I can just go on. So this is one option to use, and go to a dashboard again. Different options I'll show you. So edit this one. Run on select, not on anything. Different will observe. So by upon click itself, it will go. It will not show any menu or something. Okay, come here. I just go to a dashboard, actions, and select this one. If you can remove, if you wanted to remove, you can remove also. For now, I'll just remove this. What I'll do is, okay, I have removed, right? Afghanistan is there. First country is what? Afghanistan. I'll just go to a Google. I'll type Afghanistan. Okay, Afghanistan related something data will be shown by some Wikipedia or something. For every country, there is a link, right? Let's get open this. So copy this URL here. Just come here to the this one. I'm applying here again. Go to the dashboard. Go to actions, and I wanted to create for a go to URL action. Oh, in the dashboard also only for a sheet 2 I wanted to apply, and select menu I wanted to do country and region. Okay, and okay, see when I click here, see now it is going and showing in the Wikipedia, not the previous link. But see, I don't want it to redirect to a web page and coming again here in the, see, suppose I am your client, you have created this. When I'm clicking here, it is going to web page again. I have to do something and I have to come here. So I don't want to entertain so that part of thing. What I'll do in that case, see, observe carefully, there is a web page. I'll bring that web page here somewhere. Okay, I'll give this URL, and I'll remove that Afghanistan, and I'll keep what, country and region, or one second, web page I'll bring here, URL. Yeah, for now we'll leave this because I have to create two more actions, because we have so many to discuss. I'll show you just when I'll click here, the information will not go there. Just simply the information will, yeah, it is coming already. When I click the worksheet, I'll just do one thing. For now this is not useful, no. Let me remove this. Let me remove this as well. Yeah, so when I'm keeping clicking on Angola, see, Angola related came. When I am clicking on Argentina, Argentina related came. Right? So this way, no need to go to web page. From here itself, I can see the details of this one. In the same way, I wanted to see the web page. By upon single click also, I wanted to see the cases and everything also. In that case, how to do that? Let's see. You know that what to do. You have to keep this as a filter. And for a Russia, if you wanted to see for a Russia, in this Russia will come. And here, in that case, what we can do more is like, let me show you. Remove this filter for this. And if you can apply the filter for this, let's see. Use as a filter. So I'm clicking on Afghanistan now. Let's see. Afghanistan has been created, the view in the world map one, and Afghanistan came in my web page block as well. See here. So think wisely where you have to apply interactive filter, because this is an interactive dashboard, right? So now I wanted to see for Australia data is showing in the 7,349 are there. So I have changed the link. No, let edit this URL. I wanted to give which URL. Paste it. Just give a sheet name. Okay.